Hi friends, Genius Katta Civil warmly welcome you. Today I am going to teach you AutoCAD related MCQs which will help you in Indian Engineering Service, State Engineering Service, GATE and another competitive exam. So let's start from first questions. Which AutoCAD command will determine precisely the volume of complex or simple 3D solid part? Which AutoCAD command will determine precisely the volume of complex or simple 3D solid part? Answer is MassProp. Answer is MassProp. Next question is the purpose of UCS icon. The purpose of the UCS icon command is to print. UCS full form is User Coordinate System. The full form of UCS is User Coordinate System, and the purpose of this UCS icon is permit a user to control the placement and appearance of the icon to help you understand your orientation in the XYZ coordinate system. Permit a user to control the placement and appearance of the icon to help you understand your orientations in XYZ coordinate system. This is the purpose of UCS icon. Next question is the primary purpose of the UCS user coordinate system. Same question. Allow a user to draw on a specified 2D plane in 3D space. Allow a user to draw on a specified 2D plane in 3D space. Next question is to determine if two parts 3D solids will fit together without any interference. What 3D AutoCAD command would you use? Answer is interfere. Friends, here we provide the image of AutoCAD. This is the symbol of interfere. Creates a temporary of selected 3D solids. And this is the question to determine if two parts will fit together without any interference. This is the interfere tools we use for that. Next question is you apply a property called thickness to a standard AutoCAD circle. What type of the AutoCAD object do you now have officially? Answer is surface model. It is also called polygon mesh. Surface model, it is also called polygon mesh. Next question is the axis used to show depth in AutoCAD is the z-axis. The axis used to show depth in AutoCAD is the z-axis. Next questions. The right hand rule is used to determine the direction of the. The right hand rule is used to determine the direction of the positive z-axis. Positive z-axis. All of the axes in the 3D coordinate system meet at. Friends, triple star questions. Number of times this question asked in exam. All the axes in the 3D coordinate system meets at. Answer is 90-degree angles. Answer is 90-degree angle. Here we are presented the diagram which is shown the 90-degree angle where all the axes meet. This is XY plane, this is YZ plane and this is the XZ plane. This is 90-degree angle. This is the 90-degree angle. All the axes meet at single point, 90-degree angles. Next question. In AutoCAD, all objects are drawn on the. In AutoCAD, all objects are drawn on the XY plane. Answer is XY plane. Next question is UCS command. Answer is allow you to manipulate the user coordinate system. UCS command allow you to manipulate the user coordinate system. This is the UCS setting. And here they short form this manage define user coordinate system. The word option of the UCS command. The word option of the UCS command return to the word coordinate system. Return to the word coordinate systems. Next question. To allow you to view 3D models from different points of view, AutoCAD provides To allow you to view 3D models from different points of view, AutoCAD provides 10 predefined 3D views. 10 predefined 3D views. Next question. To view a model from any position in 3D space, use the. To view a model from any position in 3D space, use the 3D-orbit command. 3D-orbit command. The view option of the UCS command. The view option of the UCS command. Answer is align a new UCS parallel to the screen. Align a new UCS parallel to the screen. A wireframe model of a titanium block would most closely resemble a wireframe model of a titanium block would most closely resemble. Answer is box-shaped wire basket. Answer is box-shaped wire basket. Next question. Wireframe drawings can be used to. Wireframe drawing can be used to determine spatial relationship between objects. Determine spatial relationship between objects. Next question. If you were on one side of a wireframe cube looking toward a solid sphere on the other side of the cube, you would see. Answer is the solid sphere and the wireframe. The solid sphere and the wireframe. To edit a wireframe model, use which command? Answer is grips. Answer is grips. A wireframe model is created using. Answer is 2D object such as points, lines and circle. A wireframe model is created using 2D object such as points, lines and circle. Next questions. A fillet surface is used to. A fillet surface is used to blend two surfaces together. Friends, this is the hint. In that word, this is the hint. Already they provide you. Fillet. Blend two surfaces together. Here we show the diagram. We show the fillet surfaces. This is the one and this is second. When we use fillet, that time this diagram totally blend. This is called fillet surface. Next question is a surface primitive is basic 3D object that can be used to create more advanced model. Basic 3D object that can be used to create more advanced model. Next questions. All of the following are surfaces primitive except. Friends, this is the question which is related to exception. But here we provide the information which is the primitive surfaces. Answer is box, cone, dish, dome, mesh, pyramid, sphere, torus and wedge. Friend, this is the example of surface primitives. This is the example of surface primitive. In number of exam, this question they ask. That's why we are provided the information which is related to surface primitive. If anything else they given in option, that time you select that. Box, cone, cylinder, wedges, sphere, torus, box and pyramid. This is all as primitive surfaces. Please concentrate and keep in mind. Next question. To create an approximation of cone patch in AutoCAD. To create an approximation of a cone patch in AutoCAD, use the which command? Edge surf. Which command? Edge surf. Next questions. To control the type of surface created using the smooth surface option of the edit command, use the surf type system variable. Surf type system variable. Next question. Solid model are used more frequently than surface model or wireframes model because they allow you to calculate mass properties. Why? Because it's allow you to calculate mass properties. That's why we use solid model rather than surface or wireframe models. Next question. To store and display modeling information in AutoCAD uses boundary representation and sweeping. To store and display modeling information in AutoCAD uses boundary representation and sweeping. Next questions. The isoline system variable specifies. The isoline system variable specifies the number of contour lines that define a solid model. The number of contour lines that define a solid model. This is the isoline system. The primary difference between the model tab and the layout tab. Friends, this question asked number of times in various exams. The primary difference between the model tab and the layout tab is, answer is, the model tab is where you create the drawing. Model tab is where you create the drawing, and the layout tab represent sheet that you will plot or print. Layout tab represent the sheet that you will plot or print. Which command convert discrete object in polyline? Which command convert discrete object in polyline? Answer is join. Answer is join. Next questions. To print the entire project, you will choose to regulate what to plot. To print the entire project, you will choose to regulate what to plot. Answer is limits. Answer is limits. What is the usefulness of viewports? What is the usefulness of viewports? Answer is allow us to see the screen or on paper different views on the same project. Allow us to see the screen or on the paper different views of the same project. This is the usefulness of viewports. When to fix a block attribute? When to fix a block attribute? Answer is before you fix the block. Before you fix the blocks. Next question. What you cannot create from the command offset? What you cannot create from a command offset? Answer is vertical state. Answer is vertical state. Next question. Which state grid is used to design perspective? Which state grid is used to design perspective? Answer is isometric. Answer is isometric. What is the minimum allowable number of layers in a drawing? What is the minimum allowable number of layers in a drawing? Answer is 1. Answer is 1. What setting gradient allow us to fill an open area? What setting gradient allow us to fill an open area? Answer is tolerance. Answer is tolerance. What command allow us to select object based on some status? What command allow us to select object based on some status? Answer is QSelect. Answer is QSelect. Which of the following file extension cannot open in AutoCAD? Which of the following file extension cannot open in AutoCAD? Dot format file. Friends, here I have provided one diagram which is supported in AutoCAD format. This is DWG format. First is DWG format. Next DWS. Next DWS format. DXF format. DXF format. DXF format. DWG format. DWS format. And next is DXF format. This is the all format which is supportable in AutoCAD. But friend, please concentrate and keep in mind dot format not supported in AutoCAD. Dot format not supported in AutoCAD. What does the command W block? What does the command W block? Answer is right block. Answer is right block. Polar coordinates are used mostly for drawing. Polar coordinates are used mostly for drawing. Answer is angular lines. Answer is angular lines. How many snap points does an object have? How many snap points does an object have? Answer is depends on object. Answer is depend on object. How will you deselect an object while you are selecting set of objects? How will you deselect an object while you are selecting set of objects? Answer is shift and click on the object to be removed. Number of times when we doing the practical of in AutoCAD, that times this happens. That's why you must aware about this. Shift plus E on the object to be removed. How will you deselect an object while you are selecting set of object? Answer is shift plus click on the object to be removed. Objects are rotated around the base point. The origin of drawing is at triple star question. In number of exam, this question asks. The origin of drawing is at 0, 0. Fillet command can be used to obtain sharp corner as well as round corners. Fillet command can be used to obtain sharp corner as well as round corners. A polar array creates new object. Answer is in a circular pattern. A polar array creates new object in a circular pattern. How many layers a drawing should have? Answer is as many as depending on the complexity. And why we use the layer? To make the complexity in simplicity. What is the common angle of projection? For the isometric view. Answer is third angle. Triple star questions. In number of engineering services exam, this question number of times they ask. Third angle. Name the AutoCAD toolbar where you find the hidden line types. Answer is Object Properties toolbar. Name the orthographic projection for the isometric view C. Answer is right hand end elevations. In which bar do you find the snap and grid icon? Answer is status bar. Next question. In AutoCAD, a circle can be drawn by the following commands. Answer is center radius, center diameter, 2 points. Friends, here we provide a diagram which show all the tools which we can draw the circles in AutoCAD. First is center radius, next is center diameter, 2 point, by using 3 point, by using tan radius, and by using tan. Please concentrate and keep in mind center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tan radius, and last is tan. In AutoCAD object, snap is used to pick accurately dash of a line. Answer is end point, mid point, and nearest point. In which bar do you find the ortho and snap icon? Answer is status bar. In AutoCAD, an arc can be drawn by the following command. Answer is start end radius, start end direction, 3 point. Here we provide a diagram which show all the tools by using we drawn an arc. First is 3 point. Next is start, center and end. By using this tool we can draw arc. Next is start, center and angle. Next start, center and length. Start, center and this is length. Next start, end and angle. Start, end and angle. Next, start, end, direction. Start, end, direction. Next, start, end, radius. Start, end, radius. Next, center, start, end. Center, start, end. Next is central, start, angle. Center, start, angle. Center, start, length. And last is continue. Last is continue. In AutoCAD, ortho command is used to draw lines. Friend, this is the favorite question of number of various exam. In AutoCAD, ortho command is used to draw lines. Answer is perpendicular lines. Answer is perpendicular lines. In AutoCAD, dash command is used to round the corners of a rectangle. In AutoCAD, dash command is used to round the corner of a rectangle. Answer is fillet. Answer is fillet. In AutoCAD, the most common used coordinate systems are. Answer is relative, polar, direct distance. Relative, polar and direct distance. All these three commands are most commonly used coordinate system. Next question is, orthographic drawing refers to a two-dimensional representation of an object in a view that show only dash at a time. Answer is one side. Answer is one side. Next questions. In the third angle projection, the top view of an isometric drawing is projected on a dash plane. In the third angle projection, the top view of an isometric drawing is projected on top plane. Answer is top plane. In AutoCAD, a polyline can be drawn by. In AutoCAD, a polyline can be drawn by draw toolbar. Answer is draw toolbar. The chamfer command is used to cut the corners of a dash at 45 degree. The chamfer command is used to cut the corners of a dash at 45 degree. Answer is rectangle. Answer is rectangle. So friend, this is the question which is related to AutoCAD. If you found something helpful in this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.